I had back surgery at a hospital in New Hampshire about 2 or 3 years ago because I had pain in my right leg. I had 2 back operations that worked for about a year, and then the pain started to come back again. The pain gradually got worse and worse until I was using a cane, and then I was using a wheelchair. And I was getting desperate, which is why I called Tufts Medicine.
How is endoscopic spine surgery different from more traditional, either open or minimally invasive techniques? If you want to think about it most simply, it's just the ability to do the surgeries with less tissue trauma and with less invasiveness overall so that people can recover faster. So speaking to Patricia's case specifically, she's the perfect example for endoscopic spine surgery. She was somebody who had multiple prior spine surgeries. Those surgeries had been complicated. She had persistent, debilitating leg pain from tightness on one specific nerve.
I'm a gardener. I couldn't do any gardening. I couldn't go out and go grocery shopping. I couldn't drive a car. Basically, I could do nothing.
So when I met her, she had seen other surgeons and they didn't think that there was anything they could do, but she just wanted to see one more person. And with the endoscope, because it's such a small incision and because we can see around corners, because the visualization is so good, I was actually able to avoid her prior scar and her prior incision altogether and make an incision quite far off of the middle of her back.
I can't even find where he cut.
And actually work all the way down to where the nerve comes out and avoid all of the potential complications of a revision spinal surgery and just take the pressure off of the nerve directly.
I resumed very quickly. In fact, I resumed too quickly. I was doing several hours of gardening and I had to stop. The next day I had to relax because I was doing too much.
It feels amazing when you see people back and they're back to doing the things that they enjoy.
I can do everything. I can garden, I can shop, I can do my housework. I can do everything.
Tufts Medicine has an incredibly patient-centric approach and philosophy to care. And if there is a way out there for us to do surgery and to do it better or provide care in general, period, that's better. I think we want to be on the leading edge of being able to do that and to offer those services to our patients.
My life was back